And one thing that I always admire about Raja is that you will always see him without lyrics sheet. He always sings the song by heart and with heart, by heart and with heart. So um, just sequence again. Is Kavita Ben coming? Okay. So we have Ashwini, then myself, then Amitabh Ben is not coming either. Okay. So then Ronnie Saab, Mona, Samir, Anjali, and then our last but not the least, our great Dubey Saab, Sunil Saab.
I have to say something here also. So we don't know how it happens कि आप हमेशा end में, how do you manage that? Oh, एक के बाद
Ah,
एक.
wo, when we picked the numbers, we could see that. Yes.
Okay, so continuing our journey of Indian classical. अभी आपने हमारा एक क्विज आइटम आपने स्पॉइल कर दिया, तो एक और क्विज है. तो can anyone tell us where were we, which years in the previous 50? Very good, great.
Very
So
nice.
you guys are listening to us.
Jhapak, jhapak. क्या झपक?
लपक. So now I wanted to make sure कि ये ऐसे ही नहीं हम बोल रहे. तो अभी मॉडर्न एरा शुरू हो रहा है. We are getting into late 19th century. So until the late 19th century, Hindu classical music was still on one-on-one basis. And I touched base on this earlier also. It was through Guru Shishya, one-on-one basis. So this system had some benefits, but some disadvantages also. And the drawbacks were that the Shishya had to spend almost the rest of their life in their Guru's seva. और गुरु जी की जब कृपा होती थी तो वो एक दो चीज़ें बता देते थे. So, but basically, to a large extent, it was the music was still limited to the palaces and to the dance halls. It was shunned by the intellectuals. So, especially in the northern states, I know the Punjabis in this crowd. We know that our parents never ever encouraged us to do music. It's the Dane of I would say, right? आपके तो parents यहाँ बैठे हैं, आप कुछ नहीं बोल सकते.
When sing is king, what else you need, right?
हाँ, वही कि कोई encouragement नहीं होती थी. Whereas what I've seen in Kannada houses in like पूरे South India के घर, Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Marathis, म्यूजिक को इतनी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस दी जाती है कि घर में वो चलन ही वो होता है एंड एवरीबडी स्टार्ट सिंगिंग कि यू आर ब्रॉट अप विद दैट. सो यू बिलो मध्य प्रदेश.
Not so much in Gujarat either. Not so much in Gujarat either. खाओ पियो और आराम
So so as
ये कहावत झूठी है, लेकिन कहते हैं कि म्यूजिक का जन्म हुआ बंगाल में, बड़ा हुआ महाराष्ट्र में और गुजरात में मर गया.
I second that.
अभी यहाँ पे बहुत गुजरातीज हैं. We can't say that. So as the power of Maharajas and Nawabs declined in the early 20th century, और please ध्यान से सुनिए, ये centuries पूछने वाले हैं. So with their patronage. So after the expulsion of Wajid Ali Shah to Calcutta after 1857, the Lucknowi musical tradition came into influence. So this I was very interested कि पूरा पहले बंगाल में जो रेनेसां पीरियड चल रहा था उस टाइम पे, अभी वो यूपी से वो आ रहा है. And this gave rise to the tradition of Rag Pradhan Gan. I don't know whether I said it right. Pradhan Gan, around the turn of the century. Also, during this time, so this is again very important that two great stars emerged on the horizon. And they composed everything. They brought everything together. And they are Vishnu Digambar Pulaskar and Paluskar and Vishnu Narayan Bhatkhande. So independent of each other, they did this research to compile everything. They visited all these different gharanas and they took this extensive research and from Hindustani as well as Carnatic, and collecting and comparing these compositions between 1909 and 1932. तो हम लोग काफ़ी आगे आ चुके हैं अभी 1932 तक, and they produced these monumental 4 volumes work of Hindustani Sangeet Padhanti. So
And Vishnu Digambar Paluskar actually was blinded at the age of 12. So you can imagine the talent. Okay, so moving on. We hope that you are enjoying this journey and the history of Indian classical music. The next one is Ashwini. Jia Le Gayo Ji Mora Sanvaria. It's music by Madan Mohan Sahab, Lata Mangeshkar, the incomparable Lata Mangeshkar ji. Words were of Raja Mehdi Ali Khan from the movie Unpad, 1962 ki ye film. It is a little bit about Kalyan, is that it has a Western equivalent called Lydian mode. So some of our rag, they actually even have the Western equivalents as well. The raga is regarded, it's played predominantly, and Madhu, you can probably confirm or deny, but this rag is predominantly played during the South Indian weddings. Is that right? Kalyan. Yaman, Kalyan. Okay, go back and check and next time tell us. The word Kalyani means she who causes auspicious things. And Ashwini sent us some very good information. She says that some say that the origin is from the Persian mode, Aman, from which Yaman came. But this a very melodious semi-classical composition by Madan Mohan. And it is at night rag, should be performed during the first quarter of the night. Vadiswar is Pa, Samvadi is Sa, and other popular songs is Huzur is Kadar Bhi Na Itra Ke Chaliye, Nigahe Milane Ko Ji Chahta Hai, and Mera Sundar Sapna Beet Gaya by Geeta Dutt ji. So, Ashwini, big round of applause for Ashwini.